My name is Matthew Bannister with Equipment Gateway. We're here at the SEMA show with the Miracle system, which is a system of panel repair from Japan. And Mr. Kobayashi is going to do a little bit of a demonstration for you.
Okay. So basic idea of Miracle system is to pull the dent from outside, and you can reduce the damage while you make a repair with our tools. And I am welding washers with our automatic welding machine. You just touch the panel with the tip of the bit. It automatically welds like this, yeah. Then you can put the shaft through the hole of these washers. Then you can make a pull with our special device, which is called strong puller. Okay, this is called strong puller. This is designed to pull damage on strong areas or on the press lines. Okay, set the hook, this, okay, and adjust the levers with the center shaft. Okay, and you can place these legs on the strong areas, which are the edges of the panel. Okay, then set these lever. This, set. Okay. Okay, now we're ready to make a pull like this. Okay. Make a pull slowly like this. See the panel coming? And you can lock the handle. Then you can use a hammer and keep the panel under tension, and you can use the hammer to reduce to release the distortion. Yep. Okay. This is for rough out. And after rough out, we use another tool which is called easy puller. Easy puller. This. So this is very easy to use. That's why it's called easy puller. Okay. We have a special cable and connect the cable onto the welding machine. And turn switch onto number 1, set the timer on ampere, and we're ready to go. Very easy to do the setup. This, just touch the panel like this. It's welded very tightly. Okay, and you see the lever. You squeeze the lever, the damage comes out. See the handle? You twist, and you can break it off. Yeah. Touch, pull, twist off. Touch, pull, twist off. Yes. You can work much quicker than the dollies and hammers. Okay. And you go from outer side of the damage to inner side. Okay. Like this, and make a pull. Okay. And you get smooth finishing in short time. Yep. And you leave only small marks onto the surface of the panel, so there's no backside burning. Yeah, so it's easy to do the finishing work afterwards. So this is called easy puller. We have 7 different frames for different distortions. And another tool we have is aluminum welding machine. You can weld these aluminum washers onto aluminum panel. And this is also very easy to use. You just have to set the washer onto the gun like this, and set the gun onto the panel like this. Okay, and you press the trigger like this. You can weld these washers also. So very easy to use, and you can use the same bridges as a steel panel. Yep. So.
Alright, if you guys would like some more information, you can visit us at www.equipmentgateway.com.